I like to stay garden fit year round, and here are some moves that I've learned that I think would be very helpful. The first one, of course, is what we call the armchair, which is a squat. As I go into a squat, I keep my back muscles straight. And this move of getting up and down, I do about 5 to 10 times a day. When I'm done with those, I put my feet a little bit wider. I go into the armchair again, keeping my back straight, and I stretch from side to side. And it really gets your leg muscles activated. Feels great. For my upper body, I like this move. I put my arms in front, I stretch them out wide. That really makes your chest open. Then I reach for the stars with my arms up high, knuckle to knuckle. I bring them back again wide in front of my body and down. And I also do this about 5 to 10 times a day. And the last one that I'd like to show you is this hip hugging stretch. So this I love because not only is it good for your hips, which we use as gardeners so much while we're gardening, it also helps you with your balance. So you put all your weight on one foot and hug the other knee. And of course, like with all our exercises, you want to do them on both sides. And if this balance is challenging, just stay next to something that you can hold on to while you raise one knee, and before you know it, you'll have great garden fit balance.